Rick is in the Weather Center. What's going on out there, Rick?
Hey, we just call anything the Weather Center.
Yeah, we
at this
do.
Point, right? We just put it here.
Wherever you are at the Weather Center.
Rick's standing over
not the Weather Center where you're standing.
I'm standing 10 feet on the other side of them at this point with a different counter. All right, let's talk about the weather maps, guys. Still cold. Take a look at what your average is. What's your temps today versus your averages here? Pittsburgh today, you're 46 degrees. Greensboro, you are 53 degrees. Atlanta, you're going to get up to 61. Still below your averages there, but getting a little bit better. Here's your forecast throughout the day. Watch how the day plays out here across the Northeast into the Mid-Atlantic. Pretty nice day. Temps climbing a little bit. By the end of the afternoon, we'll see some rain move in across the western side of your picture there and towards the Ohio area. Down to the southeast, a very, very chilly start to the morning across much of the Georgia and into the Carolinas. Warm across Texas and into Oklahoma. Pretty nice day there as well. In towards the northern plains, we have this Clipper system dropping in, so we're going to see some rain showers across Minnesota, some snow into the UP of Michigan and parts of Michigan as well, and then we'll see the rain on the southern side of that. And behind that, temps a little bit cooler, still above average, but cooler than you've been. And then out across the west, we continue to remain very dry, and we have very warm temperatures into the southwest. We'll get close to some records again. Tomorrow, finally, we'll see a little bit of rain move into the Pacific Northwest.